How to fix Galaxy S25 calendar notifications not working. Now first, fix number 1 is to ensure notification has been turned on. So tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in here, scroll down and tap on apps. Then we scroll down and tap on calendar. Open up Samsung calendar, then tap on notifications. At the top here, ensure that allow notifications is turned on. And then make sure you allow sounds and vibration. Make sure you allow on the lock screen. If you want to show notification pop-up, then make sure that is also selected. Okay, so give that a try first and see how you go. Also, you want to go down and tap on notification categories. And then in here, general notifications and ringtone notifications, make sure they are turned on and ensure the sound is not set to silent. So sometimes sound can be set to silent and then you will receive no notifications at all. Okay, so make sure you select a sound that you can hear. Okay, after that we go back and then try to check every other categories as well and choose alert instead. Okay, give that a try. Next, we want to check the calendar event alerts are on. So open up the calendar app, then tap on the menu button. Next, tap on the settings icon. In calendar settings, scroll down and in here tap on default alert times. Make sure they are turned on. So make sure here it is turned on so that you get alerts when the times is due. Also, you want to ensure alert type. So make sure it is set to one of the following: light, medium, or strong. And then we go down and tap on short sound. Ensure a sound is selected, and again make sure it is not set to silent. Fix number 3 is to turn off battery restrictions. So we can go into settings and then we go down to battery and device care. So in here tap on battery, then we tap on background usage limits and then tap on sleeping apps. If you see calendar in here, make sure you remove it. So tap on remove, select calendar, and then tap on remove. So remove the usage limit in battery. Now you may also want to check the deep sleeping apps as well. Make sure calendar is not in here. Next, again we go into settings and then we scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on calendar, and in here we scroll down and tap on battery and make sure it is not set to restricted. If it is set to restricted, you may have issues receiving notifications or alert sound. So choose unrestricted and then tap on the back key. Fix number 4 is to check do not disturb. So we go into settings and then tap on notifications. Now in here scroll down and we look for do not disturb. So tap on do not disturb and make sure do not disturb is turned off. Or the calendar is allowed during do not disturb. So if it's turned on, make sure you add in exceptions to allow calendar, so app notifications, and then make sure you add in calendar in here so that it is allowed during do not disturb. Fix number 5 is to check account sync. So we go into settings, then tap on accounts and backup. From here we tap on manage accounts, then open up your Google account, tap on the sync account. Make sure calendar toggle button is switched on. If it's not sync or if events don't sync, then alerts won't get triggered. Fix number 6 is to clear cache. So we can swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here we scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on calendar, and then tap on storage. From here tap on clear cache. If it does not work, you can also try to clear data as well. Tap on delete to clear the data. Now if it's still not working after all of those things, you can try to restart your phone. You can try to install the latest software update. So go into settings and then we go down and tap on software update and see if there is any new update and try to install them. Here we got a new software update. So let the device go ahead and update them. Now, 4 of the most common causes for the calendar not to send notifications is that calendar has been placed in sleeping apps, notification categories has been set to silent or do not disturb, blocking alerts, and lastly, event reminder has been set to no alert. So those are the common things that cause calendar notifications issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.